Welcome to my channel. But wait, have you ever felt that you know English, yet when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank? What if I told you that you can start talking in English without thinking, without fear, and without translating if you practice the right way? Stay with me till the end, because this lesson can change how you speak forever. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment, "I will practice" below. Watch the full video because every chapter builds your fluency step by step. Chapter 1, Why Thinking is the Biggest Problem. I wanted to speak English, I really did, but every time I opened my mouth, my mind stopped. I was thinking too much. I was thinking about grammar, I was thinking about mistakes, and that thinking made me silent. But here's the strange part. Babies do not think, yet they speak. This is something most people never notice. Fluency does not start in the brain. It starts in the ear. When you listen again and again, your brain learns without asking you. One day, a teacher told me, "Stop thinking, start copying." That sentence stayed with me. At first, I did not understand it. But then I tried something new. I listened to simple English. I repeated it out loud, slowly, again and again. And something changed. I was not translating anymore. I was not building sentences in my head. The words started coming out by themselves. This is called shadowing. But here's the surprising truth. Shadowing is not magic. It is training. Just like walking. Just like riding a bike. You fall, you try again. And then one day, your body remembers. Most learners quit too early. They think fluency should come fast. But fluency is like planting a seed. You water it daily. You do not pull it out to check. And one day, it grows. If you feel slow today, that is normal. If you feel stuck, that is part of the journey. But if you keep listening and repeating, your mind will stop fighting. And when the mind stops fighting, speech begins. Chapter 2, What Shadowing Really Is and Why It Works. Let me show you what changed everything for me. Shadowing is simple. You listen to English and you speak at the same time. Not after, not later, at the same time. Your mouth follows the sound. At first, it feels hard. Your tongue feels heavy. Your brain feels tired. But this is a good sign. It means learning is happening. Most people try to memorize words. That is slow. Shadowing teaches your brain patterns, and patterns are powerful. Think about songs. You remember songs without effort? Why? Because you listened many times. Shadowing works the same way. One of my students told me, "I understand English, but I cannot speak." I asked her to shadow for 10 minutes a day. Just 10. After 7 days, she said something amazing. She said, "Teacher, my mouth moves faster now." That is the goal. Not fast English, natural English. When you shadow, you borrow confidence. You borrow rhythm. You borrow pronunciation. But here's the part people miss. You must use easy English. If it is too hard, your brain panics. When the brain panics, learning stops. So start small, short sentences, clear voice, repeat daily. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of shadowing. You are not performing. You are training. And training is private. The more you shadow, the less you think. The less you think, the more you speak. This is not theory. This is experience. And in the next chapter, I will show you exactly what happens after 7 days of shadowing. Chapter 3, What changes after 7 days of practice? Most people ask me, will I really change in 1 week? And I always smile, because the change is not loud, but it is real. After 7 days of shadowing, something quiet happens. You stop freezing. You stop searching for words. You start speaking small sentences without fear. One student told me, I spoke without planning. That is a big moment. That is a viewer spike moment. Because this is what everyone wants. After a week, your ears become sharper. You start noticing sounds. You hear stress. You hear pauses. Your mouth starts copying naturally. You may not feel fluent yet, but you feel brave. And bravery comes before fluency. Most people never notice this stage. They quit just when progress begins. Shadowing also builds muscle memory. Your mouth learns shapes. Your tongue learns movement. This is why thinking reduces, because your body already knows. Another student said, I feel English in my mouth. That sentence means progress. Do not chase perfection, chase comfort. Speak while walking, speak while cooking, shadow while listening to stories. Even 5 minutes helps, but consistency matters. 7 days is not the end, it is the door. Once the door opens, speaking feels possible. And when something feels possible, you do it more. In the next chapter, I will show you how to shadow correctly, so you do not waste time or energy. Chapter 4: How to Shadow Correctly Every Day. Here is the simple routine. First, choose one short audio. 1 minute is enough. Second, listen once. Do not speak. Just listen. Third, play it again and speak with it. Do not stop. Even if you miss words, this is important. Never stop. Stopping breaks flow. Fourth, repeat the same audio for 3 days. Yes, the same one. Repetition builds confidence. Most people jump too fast. That slows learning. But here's the strange part: boring practice gives fast results. Shadowing trains your brain to react, not think. Speak softly if you are shy. Whisper if needed. But speak. Recording yourself is powerful too. When you hear yourself improve, motivation grows. One student told me, I sound different now. That is a breakthrough. Shadowing is not about speed, it is about connection. Connect sound to mouth, mouth to meaning, meaning to confidence. Do not translate. Translation is the enemy of flow. If you do this daily, English becomes familiar. And what is familiar feels easy. In the next chapter, we will talk about fear and how shadowing removes it. Chapter 5: How Shadowing Removes Fear and Builds Confidence. Fear comes from judgment. Shadowing removes judgment because you are not creating. You are copying. This is safe. This is why children learn fast. They copy without shame. One student told me, I am not afraid when I shadow. Exactly. Fear leaves when pressure leaves. Shadowing gives your brain permission to relax. When relaxed, words flow. Confidence grows quietly. You do not notice it daily, but one day you speak and you realize you did not panic. That moment is powerful. Shadowing also helps you think in English because you are hearing and speaking together. No gap, no translation, just flow. This is how talking without thinking begins. Fear fades when action becomes normal. Practice makes English normal. In the final chapter, I will show you how to continue this journey and never stop improving. Chapter 6: Your Fluency Journey Starts Now. Fluency is not one moment, it is many small moments. Shadowing is your daily step. If you listen daily, speak daily, and repeat daily, English becomes part of you. Not perfect, but real. Do not wait to feel ready. Start now. Even if you are slow, even if you feel unsure, progress loves action, and action kills fear. Remember, do not think, listen, copy, speak. and let English come to you naturally. Now it's your turn. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment below. How many days will you practice shadowing? I will read your comments, and I will see you in the next lesson.